how beautiful this is. I have another order here from a really beautiful shop. This is Simply Beautiful Plans, and I've been bad because I didn't upload my first haul from Amy. She's a Canadian shop, and this is my second haul from her now. Take away the invoice first. Really pretty envelope, I really love it. So I made an order of a kit, the Muggle Life one, and then I did a little foil order, and then I did a foil oops bag. So I'll go through the oops bag first. This one, you can see it says foil oops bag, and they're not perfect. I like to buy some of these oops kits to try them out before kind of really committing. So I think this will be good. So Amy has come out with just so much stuff recently, and this one is foil overlays. Lots of people have been coming out with these. This one is a bow related. I like this one. Looks like a little present. So this is I don't know the names of these, but this is a gold foil, and they're clear overlays. So you can see there's not. You can just put these through over on top of full boxes. One, it's just cool. I think there's like just a slight cutting issue with these, but they're still good. Maybe just be a little bit more careful with that. But on clear sticker paper, and it says foiled script number 6. So it says rescheduled, canceled, nope, and then it repeats. You can see it's like a little bit offset, but glossy paper. They're headers, foil headers. And this one is very nice. These are bow boxes. I think they're cut a little too small. I like the color. And here's some more foil overlays. These ones, just like a little bit foil on the bottom, like kind of like a, I guess, just like a little confetti. One that's got, oh, this is actually, these are headers. These are foil overlay headers, cool. Then some more things. This one is a full box overlay. Oh, the bow checklist, and this is just on glossy paper, so it's not clear. Then I got a big sheet of bottom washi, super foiled. Wow, this is also on glossy paper. So that's really fun. Amy really makes some cool stuff, so I'm glad I was able to grab an oops bag from her. And the oops aren't that bad. My order is, oh, and she just threw in so much other stuff. Like, she's so nice. Amy is just a wonderful person. So this is on matte paper. This is September Mystery. It's an exclusive freebie. A bunch of bows, because we're all a little bit crazy about bows. Then she threw in some of those headers, the foiled headers that we had seen before. So it's like a different color combination and a different type of foil than the oops bag, but here's some nice colors. This must be her September colors, because that's really matches. Oh, another one, a September Mystery exclusive freebie with icons, and they all match these colors. And then she gave me, oh, she's so funny. She gave me headers for different houses. So you guys are gonna see a theme for some of the things I'm gonna haul. But this is a Gryffindor header. So the Gryffindor colors, like the red, I think all of them have this dark color. So red and the golds and the oranges. So this is on matte paper as well. And this one is Ravenclaw colors with the bronze and the blue. The Slytherin headers with green and like black and gray, blue gray. And then this one is Hufflepuff with the yellows. These are the same. And then these are the same. But that's so nice of her. She knows what's going on with me, so I guess that's why she threw those in for free. Like all of this stuff I didn't buy. She's so nice. And then this is a nice journaling card. It's rather large. I might cut it down for like a different size. So it's a nice journaling card. It didn't get bent up too bad, but it's got the bows. This is a similar bow clip art to that. And these are the colors of September. Must be. So it's really beautiful. And my actual order was just for these. I think only 3. I only ordered these 3 sheets. So these are more foil overlay headers. And then I ordered these. So this one's clean, organized in a bunch of different fonts, and I ordered it in silver. This one is in gold. I don't know. I don't remember what I did. But this is her icons. They're like sketched out, and I got it in silver and gold. I really like the envelope one. It's more like a working sheet, icon sheet. That is this next part of my order. I ordered this. It's Harry Potter themed. And I forgot to show you. It's called Muggle Life. You guys will see the Harry Potter theme. Amy has seriously so many, just so many sheets in each of her kits. So she gives a freebie, nice, and some matte paper. Then a freebie journaling card. Darling, just believe in yourself. Very nice. It's glossy. It's cool. The actual kit itself. So the Muggle Life kit, you guys are going to be blown away by how many pages there are here. There's the first page of the full boxes, and then she even fits in some appointment labels. She really kind of incorporated a lot of different things. You've got the girls, also other Harry Potter related items and artwork, and then headers and little things, check boxes with clipboards, super cute, and then it's in the different colors. I just love the way that she incorporated the artwork here. Then all headers, weekly tracker or the sidebars. Here are all the date covers, and then all these icons and functional items, the 2 flags, the bottom washi here, and then this other page, just so much stuff, so many stickers and such great value. So you got the mugs, just all of her deco here, some 3 heart check flags, and then all of the date covers. So it's just seriously so much stuff. And at the same time, she also sent over another kit for a giveaway, because Amy is honestly the best. So here's the giveaway kit, and you get a different journaling card, but that's going to be in an upcoming giveaway that you'll have to stay tuned for. So my haul is very epic, I think. I love what she did with this kit. It's very beautiful. Then you've got your freebie, got my journaling card, all my September freebies, another journaling card, all the extra stuff she sent me. I can't, she's so nice. And my Oops bag that I purchased as well. Please check Amy out. She's super nice, and just all around, I think, just such a hardworking shop owner. She's from Canada and gets orders out super quickly and just kind of goes above and beyond. So definitely check out Amy from Simply Beautiful Plans and let her know that I sent you. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul, and I will catch you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. I have Simply Beautiful Plans haul for you guys. It's a Canadian shop. Amy from Simply Beautiful Plans and I did a swap. Just stuff. This order I got in June, and she included a June thank you little sampler. So definitely very summery, but thank you, Amy, for the little sampler. She has some of the really popular artwork that is being used in the sticker community, in the sticker world, but her prices are really fantastic. I think if you're looking to shop from someone who has really trendy, trendy stickers, You should check out Simply Beautiful Plans on Etsy, and I will leave her linked down below. This one is her June mystery kit, and it was when, I think it was like slightly after the craze of the unicorn frappuccino. And I like unicorn, and I like pastels. So here you end up with like a functional sheet that's got your bill due, paydays, some rescheduled or canceled stickers, and then some functional word stickers, balloons for celebrations, and 2 laptops there. And then you get another full sheet of a unicorn frappuccino inspired drink. And here is the actual kit. A fashion girl who's enjoying frappuccino, and then just like pastel rainbows and stars and unicorns. Like, I don't know if it gets any better than this. So that's there. It's just a little bit washed out, but the colors are very light. And then here we have our headers and little things. Her boxes, her full box checklists are super cute. On the background, there's a bit of artwork, and then they're all clipboards. It's really, really cute. They're 8 pages with 2 freebies. It's one of the best value kits I think I've seen on Etsy. Glitter and half boxes and the page flag, habit trackers, the date covers, icon. This is her washi. I love this because she actually cuts the washi down into 2 separate widths for layering. I think that looks really nice. And then some cut washi in different patterns. Then we still have 2 more sheets. So here's like a deco sheet. You've got all your date dots here. Girls in different skin tones. Some unicorn deco. 2 weekend banners. So 8 different heart check flags, and then you end up getting a whole bunch of glitter headers and flags. There's a lot. I don't know how many times I can say that, but definitely you get a lot in this kit. Unicorn mystery kit. This one is a really nice one. So let's start off with the 2 little ones. So this is called the main squeeze kit for Erin Condren. So similar layout to the other things with all of your functional words, and there's like tiny little planner there, a coil bound planner, movie marquee, and some other functional stickers like bill due, payday. And then in addition to that, the other little sheet has all of your date dots in this it's kind of like a fine glitter, fine gold glitter. Here she ends up with 5 heart check flags and some 3 heart check flags along with a weekend banner. Then when we head over here, the colors are so very summery. It's all of the full boxes with 4 little quarter boxes in the bottom. I love that she put the background in these. Can't really see these very well, but well, actually it's not too bad. The icons are on there. I think that'll look nice. So these are the headers and little things. These ones are clipboard check boxes, half boxes, and like labels, habit trackers, weekly habit trackers, date covers, so cute. All of your icons are here and some flags. The washi, like all that cut washi, and then the double layer of the bottom washi. And here is the glitter sheet. So I think in the mystery kit you get 1 extra sheet. You get 8 and then 2 little ones, while in her regular kits you get 7 sheets plus 2 extras. Again, the main squeeze kit, weekly kit. Next kit I have here is Simply Cozy for the Erin Condren. And the 2 little sheets here, these are glitter headers, just like a really fine glitter. And then kind of like more of a functional mini sheet. They're so cute. Full boxes. These are your headers and little things. A little strip of glitter. It's super nice. A little extra touch, added touch. This is her clipboard full heart check boxes, half boxes, and some of these flag things, date covers, icons, really nice. This is her bottom washi and cut washi. And then like a deco sheet with all of her date dots here and a weekend banner. Really nice. I like that she brought out this color here. It's like a deep, like a plum color. Those actually look kind of similar. But this is called the Planner Girl kit. So this one's got one little extra freebie here. A full box, like lots of paper clips, scissors, and she's sitting on a typewriter. A little bit different. These, oh, I think I might have gotten mini kits here. Because these ones are four sheets. Or I might have picked them a la carte. The last two kits I got a la carte. These like full heart check boxes. And I didn't get half boxes in this kit, nor did I get I didn't get date covers in this one either. So I picked this one a la carte, and it's just 4 sheets of Planner Girl for Erin Condren. I think this is so nice. The letters. Again, I just think the fact that she decided to layer the washi makes it much more functional and useful for other types of spreads as well, like not just Erin Condren. Last one here is called the Coffee Lover kit. So the mini sheet here. This is very like, there's like fashion girls on here. There's lots of washi to work with in this one. So this one is the Coffee Lover Planner Girl Simply Cozy Main Squeeze Unicorn Mystery Kit. Little freebie. So that's a lot, but I got all of this from Simply Beautiful Plans. She's a Canadian Etsy shop, so go show Amy some love. I think you're going to be really impressed with her Etsy shop for sure. I think my favorites are these two. I really like the pastel colors, and then this is just very summery, very beautiful. Links all down below, and thank you so much for watching. I will catch you in my next video. Bye!